Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, October 8. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says government is moving to transform Jamaica into a low-carbon economy. This, he says, is being done through the development of policies on electric vehicles as well as hydro, wind and solar power generation. Mr. Holness asserts that with the right kinds of local and international investments, the country will be able to generate enough clean energy to power its homes and businesses.
We have a great interest in seeing a transformation of the global financial system that would allow us to access products, that would allow us to transfer risk, better insurance products, better de-risking of investments, areas in which we're happy to see that the Green Climate Fund is seeking to play a greater role.
The Prime Minister was participating in a panel discussion at the Green Climate Fund's Private Investment for Climate Conference on Monday. Private and public sector leaders are in Incheon in the Republic of Korea to accelerate climate action in developing countries. Prime Minister Holness used his assignment in the Asian country to meet with his Korean counterpart. He also held talks with former UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon and met with representatives of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change and the World Wildlife Fund. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says government will be seeking a partnership with the Jamaican private sector to monitor planting under the 3 Million Trees initiative. He says monitoring will be done through the development of a mobile application that uses geographic information systems to track, locate, and tag trees. The app will assist the government in managing the trees distributed and planted by the public.
Our aim is to improve the resilience of our coasts, hillsides, and plains, while also improving the beauty of our urban centers, major thoroughfares, parks, and the added effect of offsetting greenhouse gas emissions.
Prime Minister Holness was speaking at Friday's ceremony to mark the 17th annual National Tree Planting Day under the theme, Plant a Tree Today for a Prosperous Tomorrow. At the event, 100 seedlings were planted at Jamaica House to launch the initiative under which 3 million timber and ornamental trees will be planted across the island over the next 3 years. 2 million will be planted by Forestry Department while the rest will be distributed to the public. The program is expected to be carried out by 1,000 Hope interns attached to the Forest Management Corps and residents who live in communities close to forests. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett has called for the establishment of a Tourism Resilience Fund for the Caribbean. If established, the fund will be the region's main financing facility for assisting highly susceptible Caribbean tourist destinations. Minister Bartlett made the call in Incheon, South Korea yesterday, where he joined the Prime Minister at the second Global Green Climate Fund Conference.
The Caribbean is the most tourism-dependent region on Earth, with a GDP dependence of over 40%. And 16 of the 28 countries are in the top 30 of the world's most tourism-dependent regions.
A Tourism Resilience Fund would help to build capacity to respond to disruptive threats to the region's economic sustainability, particularly those related to climate change impacts. Minister Bartlett argued that the devastation caused by Hurricanes Maria and Irma to 13 of the region's most tourism-dependent economies during the 2017 Atlantic hurricane season resulted in the region losing over $1 billion in revenues. The Ministry of Health and Wellness will be embarking on a mosquito sterilization project next year as part of measures to reduce the spread of vector-borne diseases. Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton made the announcement on Monday as he addressed the Pan American Health Organization workshop at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. The Mosquito Control Research Unit at the University of the West Indies will spearhead the pilot for the sterilized insect technique. Dr. Christopher Tufton says it's an environmentally friendly pest control method which involves mass rearing and sterilization via radiation of target pests such as the Aedes aegypti mosquito. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.